Guys, dito po ako sa baba kasi si Philip nagtatanim po siya ng beans. Oh, nice, my love. Very nice, my love.
Yeah, I got 1, 2, 3. I got the first 4 rows planted. I just finished the poles for the next 3. I'm going to plant those.
Yeah, that's a good idea. You split the stick because that is one use only.
Well, yeah, it's kind of a waste of bamboo, but
Yep.
you got to have something that they climb on, because then everything hangs down so easy to pick. But I need to get another bundle.
I want to plant here a coconut. This one. Anyway, we already have pineapple there. Plant this here coconut. Let's go up, my love. I did not make food yet.
Oh, okay.
What is that, the waste?
Yeah, that's just a waste. We got little sticks for whatever now. I mean, I'm not.
Yeah, be careful.
Nothing else.
Let's plant here a coconut. 2 rows. We have the dwarf at the back. We need to grow first.
Yeah, we got to go through and trim again.
Yeah, and this is a junk tree again, my love.
Oh, I know.
Muna ni ang gitanam ni Philip, guys, after 1 month. So nagbunga na jud ang iyang kahago. Praise the Lord. Very healthy ra ba nga beans. So karon mag-harvest na ko kaya among i-canning. So first day ni siya nga harvest. So matataba na mga beans, very healthy and long. Grabe, salamat Lord sa panalangin, Ginoo. Uli na ko, guys, kay si Philip natungog pa siya. Giubo. Muna sa'yo kung mata alas 6 para hindi mata niya na ang beans. Ready na ang beans para iyang ikan. So ang main good ay diri nga side tanawa darami dari nga mango na ipipila ka mga punuan, tulura ka punuan. Nag-start na po siya of flowers. So muna siya akong among second batch. Second batch na mango nga turao na flowers. Dagan kayang dahon ng mango. Ano ka na siya eh. Dagan kayang dahon. Yes, Jesus. Ang among saging, guys, kaya murag hindi na siya tambok. Yes, yun ay mga fertilizer, no? Kaya wa naman may baboy. So, di namin compost kay wa may hugaw sa baboy. So, ang minawar ni Philip is dugay pa siya makumpos. Muna siya. For canning, guys. The finished product. Muna ni siya ang canning. Muna na siya gluto. Ipabugnaw na lang ni siya dari para ibutang sa shelves. Looks good.